Welcome back to the Kings of Tech, and we've just unboxed the Mavic Air 2 in 2021. I know there are plenty of videos of unboxing of the Mavic Air 2, but I just wanted to revisit the Mavic Air 2 because DJI has released a lot of updates since that time that has made this drone even more viable. To me right now, the DJI Mavic Air 2 is one of the dopest drones on the market. And I'm not being paid by DJI. No one has approached me in any type of way, emailed me, anything to get me to do a promo for them. This opinion is entirely my own. So I am completely, unbiased. So DJI has released updates since that time, and particularly back in January, they added a focus track feature when you shoot in 1080p at 48, 50, and 60 frames per second, and it's added prompts in focus track, and it's optimized detection in app prompts when propellers are unfolded. So in other words, when your propellers are like this, you will get a warning that your propellers are folded and you need to unfold them. Because if you try to take off with this unfolded, I had the unfortunate incident of it clipping my landing pad. It just sort of flipped and clipped the landing pad, so you have to make sure that you unfold the props. It's they've also released not too long ago added cruise control for free mode and hyperlapse. And if you've ever shot a hyperlapse video, like I have the Mavic Air, you can make a hyperlapse video, but you have to go through some changes to get there. This one shoots 8K and 4K hyperlapse, and it does all the work for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. So if anyone is on the edge of thinking, should I get the DJI Mavic Air 2? Should I wait for the Mavic 3? We don't know when the Mavic 3 will ever come out because of certain things going on, the government restricting DJI. So, they're big pessimistic to release a new product because, they don't know what's going to happen. So I would advise anyone who's on the brink right now, get the Mavic Air 2. I mean, it shoots 4K wide now, and you can zoom in 2 times. It's a very, very good product. So thank you for listening to the Kings of Tech today. We will be doing more, looking back at the DJI Mavic Air 2 in 2021. And continue to give you updates on what's going on. Thank you so much. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Now, before I forget, there was one major problem that I encountered with the DJI Mavic Air after flying it for about a week. Full disclosure, I did bump it on takeoff, but it wasn't that hard of a bump. So when I began to look at my video footage, it was coming out all choppy and not clear. So I started going online to see, how I could fix the problem. And I noticed that other people was experiencing choppy video also, and couldn't figure out how to get it solved. So I use DJI Assistant. I reset the software. Did just about everything I could think of, and it didn't work. So finally, I went inside the DJI Fly app. I went to the camera settings and just simply pressed the reset camera settings button. And that totally solved the problem. Not to say that this is an all fixed it for every issue with the camera, but it helped solve the problem for me. So if anyone who has this Mavic Air, and I noticed that some people that I read online actually returned their Mavic Air because they couldn't figure out how to solve the problem. But if you're having that issue, again, just simply go to your camera settings and reset camera settings, and hopefully that will solve the problem. This is Charles again for Kings of Tech. Please press that like and subscribe button. Thank everyone for watching. Peace.